This lecture covers the use of negation signs in ASL. In general, the negation signs tend to come last or near the end in an ASL sentence. In English, we can have a double negative effect, whereby the use of two negations in a row actually means that the statement is positive. For example, I am not going means actually that I am going. This is not the case in ASL. Each additional instance of a negative sign only reinforces or emphasizes the concept. For example, in ASL, I'm going, not, just means I'm really not going. There are a variety of signs that can do the work of negation. Context dictates which is the correct sign to use. I will demonstrate some of the most common negation signs. None, nothing, none, not, refuse, won't, not yet, don't need, not need it, not need, should not, don't do that, Non-manual markers are essential to producing a well-rounded, meaningful negation. Make sure that your non-manual markers match the intent of your sign. I will demonstrate a few sentences using these various negations. Money, I have none. Eating meat, I refuse. A new car, I don't need it. Homework, fall behind, you should not. Freeway, driving and texting, don't do that. Make sure to include at least one negation in your expressive video for Unit 8.